don't think this is my shade, but it, like, I want to try this one next. But I'm just applying foundation. That's all she told me to do. Can I just like rub it? Getting into content creation and pivoting after being in one field for so long has been rather scary, rather stressful for me. But yeah, this is not my shade. I am not this color. Or maybe I'm doing it wrong. I feel like this is too light. I'm chocolate. Like, I'm like milk chocolate. So maybe I'll try a different one. See, and it don't match my neck. Right? It's supposed to match my neck. But it don't. Getting into content creation, I don't want to be like an influencer. I just want to create and live an abnormal life, doing it through art. Being able to just do something different. I've been in childcare for 12 years, for as long as I remember. So pivoting to something new, to something different, it's scary. Like, you have doubts, but I kind of had no choice. Like, with the daycare closing down, with me losing my job, it was like I might as well shift. This is why I chose it, because I thought this would, like, this looks chocolate, but on me it looks so much lighter. I don't know if it's the light. I don't know if it's the camera, whatever, but in this mirror it looks like it matches, but right here it doesn't look like it matches at all, and it looks kind of orange. But got to see it through, my boy. So yeah, getting into doing something different is scary for me, but do